Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study for English Olympiad. First, thoroughly research the specific English Olympiad syllabus and format. Understanding the structure is crucial for effective preparation. Identify the key areas of focus, such as grammar, vocabulary, and reading comprehension, as these often form the core of the exam. Finally, review past papers to familiarize yourself with the types of questions asked and their difficulty level. This initial step lays a strong foundation for your study plan. Next, focus on building your foundational English skills. Make it a habit to enhance your vocabulary by learning 10 to 15 new words daily, using flashcards or a dedicated notebook. Dedicate time to mastering grammar rules, paying special attention to common errors and complex sentence structures. Additionally, practice reading comprehension with diverse texts for at least 30 minutes each day to improve your analytical and inferential abilities. Consistent effort here will yield significant results. Once your foundation is strong, move to advanced practice. Engage in critical thinking exercises to sharpen your analytical skills, especially for questions requiring deeper interpretation. Regularly write essays and summaries to refine your written expression and organization of ideas. Crucially, participate in mock tests under timed conditions. This simulates the actual exam environment, helping you manage your time effectively and reduce test day anxiety. Finally, review and strategize for success. After each mock test, thoroughly analyze your results to pinpoint weak areas that need more attention. Develop effective time management strategies to ensure you can complete all sections of the exam within the given time frame. Remember to maintain a positive mindset throughout your preparation and ensure you get adequate rest before the competition. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.